foods that promote heart health and help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Heart-healthy eating involves choosing certain foods, such as fiber-rich foods, fruits and vegetables, while limiting salt, saturated fats and added sugars. Leafy greens like spinach, collard greens, kale and cabbage, and broccoli, carrots. These are excellent sources of vitamins A, C and K, as well as folate and potassium, fiber and antioxidants, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, pears, grapes and prunes in the diet provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals and fiber, which are important for overall health. Fat-free or low-fat dairy options like milk, cheese and yogurt provide essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D and protein without the added saturated fat found in full-fat dairy products. Fish high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, tuna and trout in the diet have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering triglyceride levels, reducing blood pressure and decreasing the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Lean meat sources such as 95% Lear beef, pork tenderloin, skinless chicken, turkey eggs minimize intake of saturated fats and cholesterol. Lean protein sources like nuts, seeds, soy products like tofu, and legumes such as kidney beans, lentils, and chickpeas can help reduce the risk of heart disease and support overall cardiovascular health. Foods high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are excellent choices for heart health as they can help lower bad cholesterol levels LDL when used to replace saturated and trans fats in the diet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.